We are going where, Marina?
We are going to the Philippines, Bohol.
Here we have Bohol. There's our journey. Hi, say hi to the camera. You have to say hi. Hi. Hey, hi, hey, ho, 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 ho.
Chicken nuggets?
No, I can't. Welcome to my vlog.
Where are you?
Chocolate here. I'm joking, chocolate hills.
Can you show us one of the chocolate hills? Okay, and which flavor chocolate hill is that?
That is matcha flavored chocolate. And over there we have like dark matcha chocolate. And right up there is giving dark chocolate.
Where are you?
We at the big-eyed animals conservatory.
What are they called?
Tarsiers.
And that's Aquila.
Look hot, hot like. Get out. We'll get out.
Okay, so over here in the wild we have Aquila.
Sleepyhead.
I want to eat rice. Because what I like pasta. So that's why I say
Shake it. Whoop it. Woo! Okay, can you please move from the beautiful sunset? Smiles, coffee, and kitty.
That's blurry. Oh wait. Aquila in her natural habitat. The ocean.
Look at Kemi. You come to the beach and you read. Imagine.
Read.
And drink. Oh. And show the outfit. Okay. Let's go.
No.